tumbled leather. Yo, what's going on, everybody? General 315 back again, another sneaker review video. And today we have the Jordan 12 a ma Maniére. This is the black colorway. I think this colorway came out November 17th. So I'm a little late to the review, but I've had them for a little while. I just wanted to sit on them and just kind of see what they really were, see what the hype was about. I really like them. I got these from my boy Joe. He came through for me. He sent these over for a review, so I appreciate that. Before I get started in breaking down the shoe, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, comment down below, let me know what you guys think. Tell me what you think about the shoe, what you think about the channel. I know I'm going in a different direction. I'm kind of putting some different things on the channel, you know, a couple of basketball videos, things like that, just casual stuff that I normally do throughout the day, throughout the week. And I'm just throwing it on the channel just to kind of give you guys a glimpse into what I do. It's nothing crazy. Nobody's trying to make it to the NBA or nothing like that, but it's just casual hoops, you know what I'm saying? And me and my brother kind of came up with that, and we thought that it would be good to just throw some basketball stuff on the channel. So I know it's been a little different, but that's what we got going on so far. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram for all the latest and greatest updates. Reels page is up there. I haven't really been putting too much up there lately. I kind of been taking a break. It's holiday season. I've been doing a lot of reviews for y'all this year, so I kind of just been chilling. I've been sitting back, but make sure you guys check out my Instagram page as well. And last but not least, follow us in the Discord. The Discord link is in the description. The Discord is popping. We got a good community in there. We try to help each other find shoes. We trade shoes, all that stuff. So make sure you guys follow us there. So these are the a ma Maniére Jordan 12. And it really does look like a burgundy crush type of colorway. I've been seeing that thrown around quite a bit. It does look kind of like the burgundy crush joints, but it's a little different, you know what I mean? A ma Maniére has been doing a lot. They just released the Jordan 4s, then they released this was like kind of like a sleeper, so this one released as well. And this is a women's shoe. Of course, it's in extended sizes, so men can get them as well, but this was more like a women's release. And I think there's a white pair that's going to be coming out that is a men's release. I'm not really sure how they're going to do that, but it's white with the burgundy on the mudguard as well, so those would be cool too. So anyway, let's jump into the shoe real quick. I don't want to stay here too long. Like I said, I've been trying to take a break, y'all. I've been working a lot. It's the holiday season. I'm just trying to chill until next year, and then we can pick this up where we left off before. I still got a couple more reviews for y'all, some performance reviews and stuff, but you know, some stuff will come in and then I'll do those, but then I'm really trying to chill. But let's jump into this. So we have pretty much a bred Jordan 12, like a flu game Jordan 12. This is kind of what it looks like, but instead we got these burgundy hits. And I like these burgundy hits, you know what I'm saying? Because it's not often that we get a shoe that has a really good color blocking that has the burgundy and the black, you know what I'm saying? So we got some nice nubuck on the top. You guys can see that transition right there. It looks really good. You can see that. Very nice transition on the upper. This part right here is a little chunky for me. I thought that maybe this line should have been down here a little bit, but it's fine. I've seen it on retails now. But yeah, definitely some nice textured nubuck right there, and it's really cool. It's really soft too, y'all. Really soft. Very impressed with that. Going to the eyelets right here, we have those metal tips right there. We got the Jumpman and we got the A for the a ma Maniére, which I thought was a nice little touch. We have this kind of smoked out Jumpman right here, smoked out Jumpman tag. I like that a lot. That looks pretty cool. It would have been nice if it was like silver or something like that, like a lighter color, but this is dope. The way that the shoe looks is dope. It looks very stealthy, and I do like it. And it looks kind of like vintage, like a wine or something like that. So I do like that. One of the highlights of the shoe right here is this suede. And you guys can see this is really nice long-haired suede right here. And you can see that transition. The camera might be playing some tricks on us. I'm downstairs in the photo room, but yeah, this is nice. Very, very nice. You guys can see that this shoe has really, really high quality stuff on it. So if you do decide to get this shoe, I think it's available on StockX right now for like $350. I mean, this is a shoe that you might want to get, but I would caution that you should probably put some spray protectant on the shoe. Put some spray protectant on it. It will really protect it from the elements, from water, and all those good things. Outsole is that burgundy color. Main outsole right here, but you got the white hits, which I do like. I like how they broke that up for the contrast. I think that's pretty cool. There's our carbon fiber plate. I did do on foot in these, so you got a little bit of dirt right here, but there's that. And then you got the white Jumpman up there. So not too bad right there. The tag in the back, you got the Maniére instead of the Jordan. Quality products inspired by culture, which I think is pretty cool. Got the white Jumpman up there, the tag, and then you got your 23 in the back. Medial side of the shoe looks really cool. I like the medial side of the shoe, not bad at all. We still have our 2-3 right here, which is not bad. That's pretty cool. I'm glad that they didn't make it white. I would have liked it if they made it burgundy, but whatever. These are pretty cool. We got some different type of laces on here. These are like wax coated laces, which are a little different from the standard that we normally get. It's similar lace, but these are wax coated. And then we have on the tongue a Jumpman symbol. Now the only thing about this, we have the Jumpman, but the only thing, and I'm not sure how the other ones look, is this right here. You guys see this? See how it's off the actual shoe? I didn't like that. I didn't like how that's off. I feel like somebody's pant leg is gonna catch that and it's gonna pop it off. It still looks cool, but I would have rather it have been stitched on there, because look at that. Somebody's pant leg is gonna catch that and it's gonna take it off the shoe. The other shoe has a similar tag, but it's an Maniére tag. And this tag is similar in the way that it comes off the shoe a little bit, but not like that other one, not like the Jumpman one. So that's the only gripe I had about those. The shoe does come with the Maniére tag, and this is really an oversized tag, just like the 4s. I wouldn't leave this on the shoe. It really hangs low. It's actually kind of long. So walking with this on your shoe might not be the most comfortable, and you're gonna drag it on the ground. You see how low that is? I wouldn't do that. I would probably take this off, but that's just me. Some people will find a way to wear it on the shoe. The sock liner of the shoe is quilted just like all of the other Manières, and I do like that, but this is kind of like a neoprene, so definitely different from what we've gotten in the past, like with satin and things like that. But this is still cool. It feels good on the heel. Standard insole with these joints. And then the insole of these joints is that Dream Cell stuff. Pretty comfortable. I can't lie. I put it on. It feels good on my foot. And it has like the Maniére signs all over it. This is nice and slick and slippery. And then it has the Jumpman symbol on the bottom, but definitely a Dream Cell insole, so not bad. So you get some really good comfort. So if I had to rate this shoe on a scale of 1 to 10, I'll give the shoe an 8.5. I think it's a lot of materials on here. There's a lot of potential for it to be damaged by the weather or water or whatever. So that kind of takes away from the rating for me. Also, the Jumpman symbol, you guys can see it right here in the back. That Jumpman symbol, it's gonna pop off the shoe at some point. So I don't know, you know, once you lose that, it's a wrap for that shoe. So anyway, that's all I got for this one, y'all. I hope this was enjoyable for y'all. I hope this was informative and helps you make a decision to see if you want to buy the shoe or not. Until then, I will see you guys on the next one. You guys stay humble. You guys stay blessed. Peace.